Outwater presents Designer's Edge Millwork Crown Molding Installation. These are the tools we will be using for this installation. Now I'd like to talk to you about our eco-friendly multi-purpose adhesive for DEM and RPS moldings. This particular adhesive is used to put the molding onto the wall. It is also used to bond the molding, and it is also used as the finishing filler at the end of your job for any imperfections, cracks, openings, holes, things of that nature. Now I'd like to talk to you about preparing your multi-purpose adhesive. You will notice that the adhesive does not have an opening, so you will have to open the tip. I recommend you come down as little as you can and try cutting as straight as possible with a razor blade. So you're going to want to lock onto the tip and a quick swipe, and then maybe one more quick swipe. You see it is now open. You would then open up your caulk gun, insert your adhesive, put in the lock position, begin to squeeze, and here comes your multi-purpose adhesive. Now, I would like to explain the proper way to cut our molding. The proper way to cut our molding is to push the saw blade through the molding at a medium, consistent speed. What you don't want to do is cut the molding slowly or at a stop-and-go pace. This can result in the cut ends of the material to mar or burn. Step 1 is to apply the MP25 ADH adhesive to the back side of the molding. Generally, an installation will have 2 points of contact, so you will want to apply the adhesive to the top and the bottom of the molding. After applying the adhesive, we are going to install the molding. For the best results, we highly recommend that your application area be clean and dry. To ensure the molding is even, use a laser level or draw a light pencil line with a manual level where the bottom of the molding will be. When joining two moldings together, you will need to apply the MP25 ADH adhesive to the top and the bottom of the molding. Then apply it to the edge of the molding you are joining. Install the next piece of molding, making sure both edges meet each other evenly. After the two pieces are joined, use a palette knife to remove any excess adhesive from the joint. And then clean the joint with acetone. After 24 hours, you'll want to use a 220 grit or higher sandpaper to remove any irregularities and to give the joint a finished appearance. Finally, apply MP25 ADH to the top, bottom, and joints to seal any gaps or irregularities prior to painting. This will give your moldings the finishing touch.